Let's say you accidentally stepped on mud. And then you entered your car. Now, your floor mat will be full of mud. And then you might be hauling something dripping. You know, your interior's gonna be wet and stinky. So our example for today is a Chrysler 300 with OEM floor mats, which is kinda hard to clean. What we usually do is spray some water and sprinkle with soap and then brush the mat until dirt is gone. It's not that hard to clean, but cloth floor mats is hard to dry, and that's gonna be tough when having on a daily driver. So as usual, we have a solution for that. We ordered some WeatherTech floor mats and OMAC trunk liner online. This isn't sponsored, by the way. They're the only ones that I can find that does car specific mats and liners. This is how it's gonna look when installed. I prefer ordering one brand, but I think WeatherTech doesn't have a trunk liner for the older 300, but that's okay. The driver's side has a retainer clip hole, so make sure your new floor mat has one. I noticed that the retainer clip is long gone, so we went and ordered a new one online. So this is the one that I ordered online. I can give you the link on the description below. It actually came with 2 pieces of retainer clips. Installation is easy. Just slide it in the bottom part and you need to push it upwards with your finger to lock it in its place. You might need to use both hands for this. Now install all your floor mats and trunk liner and remove the stickers. Now, you can be more confident on your car's interior and cleaning will be easier. What do you guys think about this? Worth it? Let's share it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.